I'm Carmella Vitale. I'm a Madison resident, of course, and I also serve on the Madison Borough Council. And I'm here today to talk to you about the benefits of having Ciel Power come into your home and do an energy audit. I was very pleased with them, and we'll go on later on to talk about what those benefits are. In my real life as a realtor, I understand the importance of taking care of your home. I think that this offering by Ciel Power was a great example of that. This house was built in 1939, so the lack of insulation was very apparent. So now I have documentation that can be passed on to a prospective buyer saying that we have taken care of this home. It is well insulated, it's comfortable, and it's energy saving. We have our bedroom actually is not heated at all. We took the electric heat out, and we have been extremely comfortable in that room at night. And so this probably proves that the insulation on the exterior of the house has helped a great deal, as well as in the basement. So it's not always about saving tons and tons of money. I think it's an opportunity for us as we grow older to be comfortable in the house and to make sure that we have it done properly. One of the other benefits from having the Ciel Power audit was the ability to receive a rebate from the state of New Jersey. We had insulation done from top to bottom in our house, from the attic to the basement, and also the exterior, which has created less energy being used. And also, it was a very painless situation because Ciel Power came in and they took over all the paperwork and just sent all of the paperwork to the state of New Jersey, and we're very happy. We received a $4,000 rebate check. I would certainly encourage every resident in Madison to seriously consider having a Ciel Power audit. I've talked about this in the past from my council seat, and I am encouraging everyone. This was the best $49 that I have ever spent. It taught us a lot about our home and how we should be taking care of it.